as you can tell, it is pouring friggin' rain outside right now. Gotta love it. Pouring rain. All right. I think I made it down here in record time. So everything's been wrenched. So we're on our way back from the second stand now. But the rain has picked up. I'm getting absolutely soaked. So I need to beat feet out of here. On a side note, I actually really like this weather. That means winter is coming. It's cooler out, raining. Oh, fall is in the air. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, ladies and gents, we have made it back to the truck. We are on our way to the hacienda. Hopefully everything goes smooth and we can bag and tag a deer on Saturday. I'm finally getting some daylight photos. Nothing big, right? You know, but I gotta take what I can really get on the piece of property that I'm hunting. So there's no guarantee I'm gonna get to hunt it next year, right? So that sucks for all you deer management folk out there who have 100 acres property or more. If you can manage the deer you hunt every year and be able to pick and choose what you take, happy for you, buddy. I am. I ain't in that position. All right. So hopefully one day, I'm not against it.